There is a very short space between what you feel and what you do. In that fraction of a second, your nervous system is already making the decision for you. Words come out before you stop them. Your body reacts before you even get a chance to choose. Most people don't lose control in big moments. They lose it in that small delay they never notice. This video is not about controlling emotions. It's not about calming down. It's about interrupting that one moment before the reaction becomes automatic. This is the 3-second interrupt. Your nervous system doesn't wait for permission to react. It triggers first, and understanding comes later. But there is a small window, a moment where the reaction hasn't fully locked in yet. If something interrupts it there, the automatic pattern breaks. You don't change what you feel. You change what happens next. And that is the difference between reaction and choice. This is not something you practice later. This is something you use the exact moment you notice you are already in a reaction. There is no correct option. There is only interruption. And that interruption can happen in 3 ways. Cognitive interrupt. Slowly count. 1, 2, 3. This is the fastest way to break the automatic flow of thought before it fully locks into an impulse. Not to calm yourself, but to interrupt the continuation of the reaction while it is still forming. Verbal recognition. One word that describes what is happening in the body. Tension, anger, pressure, reaction. You can say it quietly, or simply form it clearly in your mind. No analysis, no story. This shifts attention away from identification with the reaction and into recognition of it, weakening its automatic grip while it is still active. Physical interrupt. Change your physical state. Clench your fists and release them. Or shift your body position for a moment. This breaks the physical loop of the reaction already running through your nervous system, not just your thoughts. You don't choose the best one. If counting starts, use it. If a word comes, use word. If the body moves, that is enough. In every case, the interruption has already begun. This tool doesn't remove the reaction. It interrupts its continuation. And that is the difference between impulse and space. Today you learned how to cut the reaction at the moment it forms. In the next video, we go one step earlier. Emotional labeling. How to recognize a reaction while it is still forming, before it becomes your story. Until then, take care of your mind.